In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically eliminate duplicate lists in Microsoft Word. This tool is incredibly handy if you're working on a large document and want to maintain consistency and clarity by identifying repetitive words. So let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure the document you intend to edit is open and visible on your screen. This will be your starting point for the entire process, as we will be making all changes directly within it. Next, locate the Replace function. You can find this under the Home tab within the Editing group on the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Clicking it will open the Find and Replace dialog box, which will be our main tool for this task. This dialog box allows you to specify what you want to search for and what you would like to replace it with. However, in this case, we will not actually replace anything. Instead, we will take advantage of its ability to find and highlight repeated words. Once the dialog box is open, focus on the Find What field. This is where you enter the word you suspect might be repeated too often in your document. For this example, let's imagine we are looking for the word chair. By typing chair into the Find box, you instruct Word to scan the entire document for every instance of that specific word. The next step is to click More, which expands the dialog box to show additional options. Here, check the box labeled Find Whole Words Only. This ensures that Word highlights only the exact word chair rather than parts of other words that may contain the same sequence of letters. After selecting that option, look for Reading Highlight and choose Highlight All. Word will instantly highlight every occurrence of the word throughout your open document. This visual highlighting allows you to quickly see every place where the word appears, making it much easier to evaluate whether the repetition is necessary or if some instances should be edited or removed for better clarity and flow. With all instances clearly highlighted, you can now review your document and decide whether you need to reduce or replace repeated words. This method is a quick way to polish your writing and improve the overall readability of your document. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use Microsoft Word's Find and Replace feature to identify duplicate or repetitive words in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.